Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Amazon's stock split. Should you guys buy it? So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask them down below. So kind of what's been going on with Amazon? Well, for those of you that don't know, Amazon did a 20-to-1 stock split. So pretty much what that means is if you guys had 1 share of Amazon, you will now have 20 shares of Amazon. And kind of Amazon's idea behind this was trying to make the shares more affordable for, smaller size investors and for their employees. So you have to realize though too, this does not change anything about Amazon, right? It doesn't change their revenue. It doesn't change, their market cap. It doesn't change their profit margins. It doesn't change anything other than the price, right? The price of the stock. Now before, yes, the Amazon's stock price was just over, north of $2,000. And so obviously to capitalize on share size is very, very hard to do so, but it doesn't change anything, right? It does not change anything about the company. And I think you have to understand that, right? Yes, this is going to be a short-term, bullish thing for a company to do. Historically, stocks and companies that announce a stock split will get buying pressure, and that's kind of what we've seen, right? The stock went from $100 all the way up to $124, but in general, the whole market lately has been slowly kind of climbing its way back up. So we're getting a little continuation off the market and a little bit more off of this news. So personally, answering that question of should you buy Amazon stock, I definitely think right now you have to realize that Amazon has been struggling, right? If we look at the revenue, it's up, 7.3%, which seems like a lot, but looking at the previous couple of revenue, 14%, 21%, 37%, 20%. So given that the revenue has only increased 7.3%, how do you expect this stock to go up 10, 20% when the revenue is only going up, 7%? That's not much. And looking at this here, looking at Amazon's cash on hand, they actually have a decent amount of cash, right? They have about $66.3 billion, okay? And they have about $47 billion in debt. So the good thing is they have more cash on hand than long-term debt. And I think that's very, very important. Meaning if Amazon stock ever, if Amazon ever goes through a hard time, they can pay off that long-term debt and continue to grow because they have that extra money. But looking at their profit margin, they only have a profit margin of about 4.4%. Meaning for every $100 Amazon brings in, they only profit $4.40 or something, which is terrible, right? For me personally, I definitely think Amazon had its run, right? It had an amazing couple of years where they were pretty much the leader of the e-commerce sites, right? Now, virtually everybody can go on and make their own e-commerce store, and there is way more competition in the e-commerce field. So Amazon, yes, carries a ton of potential. They're the leader of the e-commerce, but overall, there's more competition. Very similar to what Netflix experienced, right? They were doing fantastic. They were the leader of the streaming services, and then now there's so much competition. There's Hulu, HBO, and that's kind of where Amazon's at, right? They still have a ton of subscribers, but it's almost like it's turning more into like a value company, a value stock, where I guarantee in the next couple of years we'll start seeing a dividend payout. They're slowly starting to become just a more well-rounded blue chip stock rather than a growth stock. So in answering that question, I definitely think Amazon carries potential, but this stock over the past couple of years has just been consolidating, not really on a beautiful upward trend, a little bit, but not nearly as much as we've seen in the past. So I definitely think it carries potential. I own a little bit of Amazon. I keep it rated at about 4% of my portfolio, so it's nothing crazy. For every $100 I have invested in the other stocks, assets, I'll put $4 into Amazon. And the beauty of that is I think Amazon carries a ton of potential, but you have to realize too is that when you invest in something like Amazon, there's something called opportunity opportunity cost. So pretty much what that means is if you put your money here, you could be missing out on opportunity elsewhere. And given that Amazon really hasn't done much, they haven't even announced a dividend. The only bullish thing that we've seen the company do is the stock split. So I definitely think it carries potential because they're still more than an e-commerce site. They have, Amazon, AWS, and a whole bunch of other things. But overall, I definitely think, guys, right now, Amazon's pretty much at turning into more of a value company. And I hate to say it, but I think the overall growth of seeing it 30-40% is long gone. And that's kind of where I'm at with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. And guys, the stock split does not affect Amazon at all. All it does is make it more affordable for people to buy it, and that's it. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.